Here we go, team. It is again 6:28 a.m. I'm about to trade live with the Learn Plan Profit Group for about 30 minutes, and we do have an exciting day, so I hope you guys enjoy. Some bad news, everyone. It says 40 minutes remaining until it finishes updating. So the live stream for the Learn Plan Profit Group was a little laggy, so I decided to restart my computer just to make sure that everything was clear. And now I have to wait 40 minutes. So yeah, there's nothing else that I can do, so it's just the waiting game. All right, team, so that actually went really bad, and what I mean by that is not even my trading. I still haven't taken a position, but one of the things that I did was after I restarted the computer, I tried to go live again. I don't know if it's because it's using the same thumbnail or because it was within a certain time period, but it wouldn't generate a new link. It kept sending them to the old live stream, and only certain people were able to go live. I did that twice or 3 times, and then that really messed it up. So just some technical difficulties this morning. I don't even really feel like trading anymore just because I was so frustrated for both myself and the team. So, you know, natural gas is still super overbought. I'll explain to you guys very quickly what I see going on here. So if you guys have ever traded natural gas, hopefully you could see it a little bit more clear, but we're gonna go on the 10-day, 30-minute mark. What I like to focus on is, good deals and bad deals, right? So usually when this thing gets around 2.60, which is where it's at right now, to 2.62, it becomes overbought, so it's no longer a good deal. It pushed up very quickly, so a bunch of different things can happen. So if the overall direction continues to uptrend, and again, we always say don't trade against the overall direction, but it became so overbought that now you can see that it's really beginning to consolidate, potentially showing signs of a peak formation. I want this thing to break below the middle VWAP. I want this thing to break below the SMA line, and then I would feel that much more comfortable taking a position on natural gas. Until then, I'm just gonna wait it out. Again, the natural gas report is tomorrow, so there's no reason to try to force an entry, especially when I don't want to get into you guys right now because I see it's super overbought and I don't know if it's going to continue to uptrend, but I don't want to get into D guys right now because, again, I don't want to trade against the overall uptrend and then it actually end up pushing up. So I'm kind of in a little pickle right now, but yeah, just gonna try to have some fun and catch up on some Discord messages and maybe eat a Pop-Tart. All right, guys. I have to head on over to Scottsdale for the McLaren to get some work done, and that's the only McLaren dealership in the area. So I'm gonna have to let the car warm up. I'm gonna drive out to Scottsdale. Justin's gonna be meeting me out there, so yeah.
He traded his guns for love, but he's caught in the crossfire, and he keeps waking up, but it's not to the sound of birds. The tyranny, the violent streets, deprived of all that we're blessed with, and we can't get enough, no. Heaven, if you sent us down, so we could build a playground for the sinners, play as saints. We'd be so proud of what we made. I hope you got some beds around, cause you're the only refuge now, for every mother, every child, every brother caught in the crossfire. For this it's caught in the crossfire.
It's already they didn't know if they were going to cover it and stuff like that, and I don't want to make it iffy if they are or not.
Look at that black stuff. Get in there. I'm driving. Go. I'm in my zone already.
Go on the passenger.
I'm in my zone. I'm in my zone already.
Go.
Let me drive. You
I don't care. Oh my goodness, Justin.
It's caught in the crossfire. For this.
So I just dropped off Justin here. We had some work being done. He just installed some new exhaust tips on his M4. So not too sure if you guys could see it, but yeah, I mean, he got some new tips. They're like carbon fiber and stuff like that, so I thought that was pretty cool. So dropped him off, heading back to the house, have a live stream to host at around 5 o'clock. And yeah, I mean, that's really just it. What do you think?
Perfect.
Yeah?
Much quieter for the neighbors.
get done to it?
Glass packs and then new tips.
So heaven, you sent us down so we can both drag around. For the sinners, say your saints. You'd be so proud of what we made. I hope you got some beds around, 'cause you're the only refuge now. For every mother, every child, every brother that's caught in the crossfire.
It's a little dirty out here. All right, quick little flip check. 3, 2, 1, side flip. All right, guys, that is going to be it for today. So it wasn't honestly the most productive day when it came down to trading or work or anything like that. I mean, we still stayed afloat with like the messages and everything that we have to do with our work. But when it came down to like offering anything special or trading extremely well, nothing like that. But like we've said before, small progress every day can lead to big results, and that's, I think, one of the most important things. So like you guys see from at least the past 3 videos that I've uploaded of like kind of like a day in life, it's the same thing every single day. I'm super blessed, super thankful for where it is that I am, but it's absolutely nothing special other than like the cars that I drive, which I'm a huge car nerd, and so are my friends. So altogether, thank you guys again for everything it is that you guys do. Continue working hard, continue following your dreams, let your passion be what drives your success. Let me know down in the comment sections what you guys would like to see, and see if I can put that together for you. So like always, hope I earned your thumbs up, hope you guys can subscribe, and let's make sure that we kill it in the natural gas report tomorrow, which is 1 hour after the market opens. So if you guys want to see me trade the natural gas report, again, you have to be part of the Learn, Plan, Profit group. If you want to, that's going to be that first link in the description to learn a little bit more of what it's like to be able to watch me trade live every single day and work with me on a closer basis. Second link, free group, and like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.